Travels. Today we're going to talk about some tips and tricks on how to declutter your junk drawer by repurposing and rehoming items. Some of the items we pulled out of our junk drawer and rehomed are those items that have multiple layers to them, like batteries and office supplies. We keep them in a clear tackle box that I actually found on sale at the hardware store. And this helps us categorize inside the box, but it's clear and easy to maintain for all our compromised organizing systems. Let's take a closer look inside each of the boxes so you can see what I mean. You can see we have one for batteries. The batteries are sorted by size and they're easy to find. These containers have the plastic bits that can move to vary the sizes of each slot. So now if we need a AA battery, anybody can find it. It's very easy to maintain and very easy to just keep organized by everybody. Our other one is our office supply box. This is for all the office supplies that you would find in a drawer or in a cup or just laying around, basically unorganized in a drawer sometimes. So we put them in one of these boxes to help categorize and sort, but still in an easy, clear, maintainable system. Remember, we're compromising most places in our home to a 12-year-old boy. So a very clear, simple system is a must for our compromising successes. We've got the office box sorted by paper clips, push pins, binder clips, even command hooks and strips, things like that. It really helps keep everything handy. Anybody can grab it, find it, and put it away easily. If you liked today's video, be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and the jingle bell so you stay up to date on all our tips, tricks, and organizing systems. Until next time, stay hopeful.